One thing is to publish a book, another thing is to sell. It's not about I have published my book. Are you really selling? I'm making a great book. Are you really selling? Selling is one of the most important things. If you're not selling, you're just wasting your time. That is why I am here to tell you how to price your book. Pricing your book is one of the factors that contribute to you selling or not selling. If your book is too high, you may not sell. If it's too low, you may not sell. The thing is that customers don't really want to buy books that are cheap. There are things they want to buy. It's not about me reducing my price to the least price. No. People don't buy cheap things. They buy things with value. Yes. And that is why some people they end up being like, okay, I've reduced my book and it's not selling. Today I'm going to teach you how to price your book. One of the methods I use in pricing my book, getting my book the best price, is first I do research. Yes, I spy my competitors. I don't just go and publish book. I will not say, okay, this is $10, this is $20. No, my books have to be within the range of other people. It have to be the range of others. I cannot come and bring book that is higher or lower or something. I have to be selling according to what others are selling. Let me show you an example. Let me say I want to make an evergreen book on exercise, and I noticed that everybody is selling books on exercise and their prices are low or high. What do? It's not about you fixing your price tag to their own. It's about you finding what they are not doing in that book. You spy their book, then you bring out a price for it. After spying that book, let me say that they are not talking about diabetes in their book, and all the books, let me say you spied like five books, five top selling books in your niche, and nobody is talking about diabetes. So what you have to do is to include what they are talking about and also put that thing they are not talking about. Then you give a price that is within that range. It should not be too high than their own. You get what I'm saying now? So that is how to price your book. You don't just run and price your book. You check what others are selling their book and you include what is not in that book in your own book. Then you give it a price that is not too high, not too low. It should be moderate level. So if you want to learn how to spy your competitors, you want to learn how to create a book based on what customers want from a book, a topic. Let me say you're creating a book on how to make money, and you want to know what your customers want to learn from how to make money. You know, how to make money is broad. So you'll be like, okay, I want to know the particular thing they want to know from a book titled How to Make Money. If you want to learn that, drop your comments below. If I get like 5 comments, I'll do a video on that. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, and it's still your favorite girl Spicy. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.